me! Today I want to make this windmill! Yay!
Tools and materials are a wire, a pen, scissors or box cutter, an empty can, pliers, and an awl. First of all, I make 3 holes, top of the can's center points and bottom 2 points. Bottom holes avoid rain collect. Next, I put mark on a can about every 0.4 inch. This time I point 12 equal parts. Top of the can and bottom of the can are marked same point. And next, I put mark on the middle of the can. It also 12 points. At last, I draw diagonal mark. Let's connect dots, point to next point. It's ready to use the tools. I make 12 holes for cut it easily, and let's cut it. Let's use pliers and bend it diagonally angle. At last, let's connect wire and a can. It's done. Complete.